In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook ads for Payhip. Whether you're gearing up to launch a new product or simply aiming to increase traffic to your site, using Facebook ads in conjunction with Payhip can significantly amplify your reach. First things first, we need to create a Facebook pixel. Head over to the Facebook Events Manager. If you're new to this, the Facebook Events Manager is an essential tool to track and understand the actions people are taking on your website. Once there, create a new pixel. This process is straightforward and serves as the cornerstone for tracking and optimization of your ads. By creating a pixel, you allow Facebook to gather valuable data that helps optimize your ads based on how users interact with your site. After successfully setting up your pixel, you'll receive a unique pixel ID. This is a critical piece of information, as it acts like a bridge that connects your Facebook ads and Payhip store. Make sure to carefully copy your pixel ID. It's important to ensure no errors are made, as having a correct pixel ID ensures that the data flows seamlessly between your Facebook account and Payhip. Now, let's head over to Payhip to integrate this pixel ID into your account. Begin by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings by selecting Account and then Settings from the menu. Within the Settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Advanced Settings. Click on it to expand the options available. Here, you should see a section dedicated to MetaPixel. This section is specifically designed for you to paste the pixel ID that we copied earlier from the Facebook Events Manager. Simply paste the ID in the provided field. After pasting your pixel ID, it's crucial to ensure that everything is correctly in place. Double-check the field to ensure that the pixel ID matches exactly with the one provided by Facebook. This will ensure you're tracking the right data and optimizing your ads effectively. Once you've confirmed the pixel ID is correct, click Save Settings. By following these steps, you've successfully linked your Facebook pixel to your Payhip account. This integration is a powerful way to ensure your Facebook ads are accurately tracking and targeting your audience. It allows you to see which customers are landing on your pages, interacting with your products, and helps refine your advertising strategy based on real, actionable data. With this integration in place, you're well on your way to harnessing the full potential of Facebook ads to boost your Payhip store's visibility and sales. Now, you're ready to create engaging ads that captivate your audience and drive those conversions. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video.